So now we will study about the presiding officer. Okay. So first and foremost, what is presiding officer? Presiding officer who preside the Lok Sabha. Okay. In that, newly elected members elect from among themselves a presiding officer, and that presiding officer is known as speaker. Okay. So a speaker is there in the Lok Sabha to preside the what? The Lok Sabha. Okay. And the members of the Lok Sabha. Also, it conducts the proceeding of the house and maintain order of the house. So we can say that the speaker plays very important role in the Lok Sabha because he or she is elected by the newly elected what? MPs, that is member of parliament. Presently, Om Birla is speaker of Lok Sabha. Om Birla is a speaker of Lok Sabha and he is presiding the NDA government 2019 में जो सरकार बनी है इसके लोकसभा को प्रिसाइड जो कर रहे हैं वो कौन कर रहे हैं? ओम बिरला. एक सवाल है कि भारत की सबसे पहली फीमेल स्पीकर कौन थी? इसका जवाब आप कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर लिखें. ओके. और दूसरी कौन थी ये भी लिखें. सेकेंड, शी वॉज फ्रॉम मध्य प्रदेश. ओके. सेकेंड, इट्स just a clue for you. It will help while you will search about the name of second female or lady speaker of Lok Sabha. Okay. So speaker is also having the power to cast the vote only in the case of a tie. Tie means जब दोनों सदस्यों को, दोनों पार्टीज को एक जैसा अगर वोट आ जाता है, जैसे हमारे 20 आ गए, सामने वाले की 20 आ गई, इन दैट केस ही और सी कैन कास्ट द वोट. ओके. दिस इज द पावर ऑफ स्पीकर. स्पीकर ऑल्सो कंडक्ट द प्रोसीडिंग्स ऑफ द हाउस वेयर ऑल representatives from the different constituencies speak about the problems of their own constituencies and a very common questions. So about that, all the representatives are free. All the representatives are free to what? Say something about their constituencies in the parliament or in the Lok Sabha. Understood? So this is the power of speaker. Then there is second term in the presiding officer, that is deputy speaker. Everywhere you will listen that deputy is nothing but it is a term if the senior most will be absent in the behalf of that particular officers or leaders. Deputy term will work like CM and deputy CM. If CM will be on leave, then deputy CM will act as a CM. Okay. In the same way, deputy speaker carries out all the proceedings of the house in the absence of speaker. Okay. He is also elected by the newly elected members. Understood? So this is there. So presiding officer is nothing but the officer who preside the term and the proceedings of the Lok Sabha. Okay. And first one is speaker, second one is deputy speaker. Okay. He or she is having same tenure of 5 years and he or she can preside the Lok Sabha. Understood? Then it was all about the Lok Sabha. We studied about the Lok Sabha.
It's